Lesson 3. Working the organs. The bottoms of the feet reflect the entire body. Each organ, gland, and body part can be affected by working their corresponding reflexes on the feet. By working these reflexes, blood supply is increased and tissue function is normalized. To start, we'll need to get some landmarks. The base of the foot pad is called the diaphragm line. Everything above it relates to the chest and above. The left foot relates to the left side of the body. The right foot relates to the right side. The left lung is mirrored in the foot here, and the right lung here. The heart is reflexed in the foot here. Below the diaphragm line, the stomach is reflexed in this area, and the liver here. Notice how the feet roughly mirror the relationship of the organs in the body. Another landmark is the waistline. The colon and small intestines are just below this line and are mirrored in the feet here. The kidneys are located here, with the two adrenal glands sitting just above them, and their connection to the bladder below. The spleen is located here. And here are the other organs all together. Now let's do some work on a few of these organs. First, we'll work on the lungs. Use your thumbs to massage into the area of the foot pad on the left foot. This is a good reflex to stimulate for asthma sufferers. Remember that if your thumbs get tired, you can use your knuckle. When you find a tender spot, stop and hold. After you are done here, work on the other foot in the same area for the right lung reflexes. Now we'll work on the heart, located within the lung reflex area on the left foot. Use your thumb to stimulate the heart reflex. Work the area and ask your partner to tell you when you hit a tender spot. Working on the stomach reflexes can be helpful for digestive problems. Use your left thumb to work into the stomach reflex area. Keep your body relaxed while you do this. When you find a sore spot, work into that area a little deeper. These are the areas that will benefit your partner the most. If your thumb gets tired, you can switch to using your knuckle. For constipation or diarrhea, work the colon reflexes. Here I am working the left foot across the transverse colon. Now down the descending colon and across the sigmoid colon. Perform the same work on the right foot for the right side of the colon. The small intestine is the squiggly line next to the colon. Work this reflex by working on both feet in this location. The liver reflex is located on the right foot here. Work the liver reflex with your thumb on the right foot. Find the kidney by looking at the chart and working the correct area yourself. You'll want to work both feet in the same location for the kidneys. By studying any reflexology chart, you should now be able to work on all the organs in the body. You have been stimulating points on the feet to reflex the body. To make the work even more powerful, you can touch the referral area with one hand while you stimulate the reflexes on the feet. For example, if someone has indigestion, diarrhea, or constipation, you can stimulate the small intestines and colon reflexes on the feet while your other hand rests over the belly. While you do this, ask your client to breathe into their belly, and if you like, ask them to picture a golden light in their belly. As they do this, you should send loving thoughts into the area that you are touching. The contact on the belly is gentle, just enough to help the client bring their awareness to the area. Here are the liver reflexes on the feet and the hand position on the belly over the liver. Hold this position for at least 1 minute or so that your client will receive the full benefit of your work. It also usually takes a minute for the receiver's awareness to make the shift in their body. Here is the hand position for the stomach. This is a powerful way to integrate the reflexology work while directly connecting to the reflex areas. Before we go on to the next lesson, here's a short quiz. The stomach reflex is located where? A, B, C, or D? The correct answer is B. Next question. The foot pad reflexes. A, the spleen, B, the colon, C, the lungs, D, the liver. The correct answer is C. This is just one of the lessons from our DVD, Reflexology for the Feet and Hands. The DVD includes 8 lessons covering everything you need to get you started practicing this great technique.